Random confirmations. If it resonates, it resonates. If not, leave it for who it does resonate with, okay? So we got death to certain friend groups, relationships, things of that nature. And I feel like it's due to different values, different morals, different places in life. I also feel like there's a specific friend that would do anything for money. Okay, something about that is significant. Right? Y'all may be waking up at 4 a.m., okay, or 3, 4, 5 a.m. Like, pay attention to those times. All right. Something about your wealth is coming out here. Okay, runes may be significant. All right, you may use runes in your practices or you need to incorporate them.